Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change Amazon account name, profile update step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or phone and go to Amazon.com. Click sign in and log in with the Amazon account you want to edit. Make sure you are on the correct account if you have multiple Amazon logins. On the top right, move your cursor to Accounts and Lists or tap it on mobile. From the menu, select your account to open your account settings page. Scroll until you find the section called Ordering and Shopping Preferences. Click Profile to open your Amazon public profile page. If you do not see Profile, use the search bar on the Your Account page and type Profile. On the Profile page, look for the option named Edit Your Profile. Click Edit Your Profile to open the editable profile fields. Find the field labeled Name or Public Name depending on your layout. Click inside the name field to place the cursor there. Delete the old name carefully using backspace or select all and replace it. Type the new name exactly as you want it to appear publicly. Double-check spelling, capitalization, and spacing before saving. If there is a display name option, confirm it matches your preferred name. If your profile includes a bio, you can update it or leave it unchanged. If your profile includes a location field, update it only if you want it shown publicly. Review any visibility or privacy options on the same page if they appear. Look for a Save, Submit, or Apply Changes button near the bottom or top. Click the Save button once and wait for the page to process the update. If the page refreshes, confirm your new name is now displayed on the profile. If it still shows the old name, refresh the page manually and check again. If you use the Amazon app, open the app and sign in to the same account. Tap the person icon or menu to reach your account inside the app. Go to Profile and choose Edit Profile to update the name the same way. After saving, give it a few minutes in case Amazon needs time to sync changes. If you cannot edit the name, try switching to a different browser or clearing cache and retry. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.